Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Jeremy, this is for you. I got this throttle body cleaned up, and it did clean up pretty well. If you remember how bad it was, but it seems like it's not really a high mileage unit. It was just like you said, the car sat for so long, but this cleaned off very well. It took me a long time because it was really covered, and but it's pretty nice, so I'm happy with the result. The wires were completely destroyed. The unit had been on the bench all last night. I just had to take it off the bench to finish off the low coverings and what have you, and double check internals and whatever. So right now this is all complete, intact, plugs done, and wires replaced, of course. I just want to show you the live readout with the actual values, and then I'll leave it on the bench because today it's 2 o'clock and I couldn't make it to the, in time to get to the post office. But Monday I definitely will be able to mail it out to you. Okay, so let's take a look at our readouts. Oh yeah, I have to do this linkage here. It's not binding anymore. Very fluid, very light. It's excellent. Okay, so let's take a look at our readouts. Now, my particular module, I always see 4.25, and my control module allows it to open all the way at 90-degree angle, whereas in S-Class, this is S420, it will not let you. Basically, it will open like this at wide open throttle, and that's normal for that particular module that you will be using. That's okay, it's normal like that. Okay, so what we want to see here is 4.25, 0.48. So this is in the middle of the range. 0.4, 0.6 is your range where you have to be. So we are within this range at idle. 4.25 is the plate itself. That's also what my control module always shows. On-off micro switches, they jump around. That's a software issue, a little bug in the software. But what we want to see is once we're off idle, the switch is supposed to switch over to off on, and when we open it, they switch over, and obviously our voltages will follow the throttle linkage. As you can see, the more I open it, the more voltages change. See, moving it a little more, they follow wide open throttle. And that's where they are. Almost a mirror image, but that's never a mirror image. Like voltages flip. V8s, they're close, but V12s, they're never close. So this is basically where we are. Like I said, I'm going to leave the unit on the bench. Let it be. Let it sit on the bench for a little longer. I saved your sticker. Production date is a 95, so this is the affected unit. Okay, so we're all good to go here. I'll give you a call. We'll do finances, and I'm gonna leave it sitting on a bench like this just because, let it be. I have space for it on the bench. Okay, so this is all for me. I'll talk to you soon.